Dangerously high winds posing problems across our area today, from power outages to falling trees and also blocked roads. WANE 15's Angelica Robinson joins us now with a look at the weather's impact.
Gusty winds have knocked down trees and power lines, leaving thousands without power across northeast Indiana. Michigan Power worked throughout the day to repair those power lines and to restore power. Downed trees blocked roadways in some areas, and we received this picture from a WANE 15 viewer who says the winds took down the fence. Leaf collection was a little bit more challenging today. Still, crews managed to pick up most of the leaves in the Tower Heights neighborhood. The popular Christmas tree display in front of Shine and Hardin law offices toppled over on Broadway. Steve Shine says it tipped off its base and landed in the courtyard. That comes less than a week after the tree was lit for the holiday season during the annual Christmas celebration. The tree did not appear to be damaged, though. Shine says the plan is to put it back up on Friday. We have more stories online about the weather's impact. You'll also find some safety tips there, too. In Studio 15, Angelica Robinson, WANE 15 News.